Welcome to Prince Shorthand House. Exercise number 92. Legal real judgments. 100 words a minute. Ready? Start. These two revision petitions under section 25B of the Delhi Rent Control Act 1958 have been preferred by the landlords against the order dated 21st February 2005 of the additional rent controller dismissing the two petitions for eviction, both under section 14 subsection 1 of the act, preferred by the landlords against two tenants, both in different portions of property number 1909 Turkman Gate, Delhi. The additional rent controller had the petitioners to be owner landlords of the premises in the tenancy of the tenants, further held the premises to have been let out to the tenants for residential purposes only, neglected the plea of the tenant in RCR number 7879/2005 of the petitioner for eviction being not with respect to the entire premises in his tenancy. However, the petition for eviction subject matter was dismissed inter alia on the ground of the landlords having not given any plausible explanation for non-production of the title deeds of property number 2299 Turkman Gate, Delhi, which the tenant contended to be belonging to the petitioner number 2 Faisal Azim, and the petitioners claimed to be belonging to wife of petitioner, and which would have been the best evidence to show that the property belonged not to the petitioner number 2 but to his wife. It was also held that the landlords had not produced the site plan of the property to disclose the extent of the accommodation therein. When the landlords had filed site plans of the other properties which the tenant had averred to be alternative suitable accommodation for the landlords, there was no reason for not producing the site plan of the said property. The other reason for a dismissal of the eviction petition subject matter was property number 2384 Kucha Pandit, Delhi. It was the case of the tenant that the said property belonged to the petitioner number 1 Mumtaz Begum. It was the case of the landlords that the same was occupied by the mother of the petitioner number 1 and is very small and in a dilapidated condition and not suitable for the residence of the landlords. The additional rent controller held that the onus was on the landlords to prove that the said property was not suitable for them, and the landlords had not filed any site plan in respect of the said property to show the accommodation therein or any document to show as to how the same was not suitable for the landlords. The additional rent controller thus dismissed the petitioner for eviction for the reason of the landlords having failed to prove that the aforesaid two properties were not reasonable, suitable residence for themselves, and for having failed to disclose the correct extent of accommodation in the said properties. It was held that the bona fides of the landlords had become doubtful for the failure to disclose the correct extent of accommodation in the aforesaid two properties. It was held that the landlords had failed to prove the extent of accommodation therein. Even though the tenant in petition for eviction had also set up a case of alternative accommodation in property number 2299 Turakman Gate, Delhi, being available to the landlords, but the rent controller vis-a-vis the said petition for eviction held proved that the said property belonged to Srimati Begum, wife of petitioner number 2. It was so held owing to the admissions in the suggestions given by the counsel for the tenant in the said petition for eviction to the petitioner number 2, appearing as his own witnesses. The counsel for the tenant had suggested that the said property had been purchased by the petitioner number 2 in the name of his wife. Stop.